Devian Daniels,
How
and
you
I'm
spell it?
Devian, and then Daniels, Daniels. I'm running to be a Queens County Civil Court judge in District 4. This year they have 4 vacancies at the courthouse, and I'm running for the last one. So my name is the last name on the last page of the ballot. And I'm running because I'm concerned about the quality of justice in our system. I've been a lawyer for 14 and a half years, and the system is not fair to certain communities. And as a lawyer, I noticed it and I complained a lot about it, but I realized instead of complaining, I should do something about it. And that's one reason why I'm running, because I want to make a difference. The people who can vote for me are in Municipal Court District 4, so that's in Southeast Queens, and in Eastern Queens, so that's neighborhoods like Jamaica Estates, Hillcrest, Briarwood, Queens Village, Hollis, Laurelton, St. Albans,
Not Rosedale.
Rosedale, Cambria Heights, Springfield Gardens,
Very
Oakland
big area
Gardens,
you have.
Kew Gardens. It's 288,000 Democratic voters, and it's really
for your district 4.
yeah, for Municipal Court District 4. It's so many neighborhoods. It's so many city council districts combined, and I believe the Board of Elections says there's 288,000 registered Democrats in this area. For civil court, you can only choose one person. So in the race, there are 2 people, myself and someone else, but you can only choose one of us. And my name is the last name on the ballot. But whoever wins the position will go to either family court, criminal court, or civil court, even though it's a civil court position. And I think whoever wins should be someone who has experience in all 3 of those courts so that they're ready on day one. And I believe I'm the only candidate who's done trials and hearings in all 3 and who will be ready right from the beginning.
Good.